today 45 kinds of the diseases considered as metabolic B disorders. Metabolic B disorders. These are called lifestyle diseases. These are the very called lifestyle diseases. Metabolic disorders, lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle disease means vyavahara. In yoga we call vyavahara. Lifestyle diseases. These are called inflammatory diseases. Inflammatory diseases. So you call metabolic disorder, or you call lifestyle diseases, or you call inflammatory diseases. Inflammation means your immunity is low. Now COVID-19 we are talking about, SARS we talked about, and all these respiratory syndromes, and they attack only on the people whose immunity is low. What is immunity? Why there is no immunity? Because there is inflammation, a continuous inflammation in your body indicates your immune response is too low. Too low. And for you, simply an indication for whether your immunity is very high or not, is simply, is there any inflammation in you, any inflammatory, absence of any inflammatory disease indicates your immunity is quite good. I have a continuous inflammation, inflammatory disease, and if I expect that COVID-19 should not attack on me, it is simply a foolishness. Your inflammation may be in the knee, your inflammation may be in the ankle, your inflammation may be in the back, your inflammation may be in the neck, your inflammation may be a cardiovascular disease, maybe you have a diabetes, maybe you have a respiratory syndrome, or maybe you have asthma, or you have emphysema, or you have a chronic pulmonary obstructive disease, or you have any disorder in your body, so-called a cancer or anything. I am not wishing we should have those problems. I am just discussing about what are inflammatory diseases, kidney diseases, intestinal diseases, Crohn's disease, celiac disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and your liver problems and pancreas problems, thyroid problems. All these are called inflammatory diseases. So, any of these inflammatory diseases, you understand your immune system is constantly fighting. Continuously it is fighting. As long as the disease is continuous, every day you are fighting. And fighting is, as I told you, half an hour or 1 hour after the death, your body can't exist. Your body, the bacteria population increases enormously in your body. Pathogenic bacteria eats away the body inside. How quickly it deteriorates once life is gone means your immunity is always at work. Our immunity, if this immunity is not there, if our soldiers are not working, means, and when life is gone, means your protection defense system is gone. Once the defensive system is gone, and how vulnerable this body is, within half an hour, and body start degrading completely.